Hello everyone, it's Kylie the Jellyfish. Today I have an awesome video for you guys. I'm showing you all how I colored this beautiful wig from VP Fashion. I just filmed a review. I'm actually posting it about 3 days or something like that at some point after the coloring video. This is the coloring video. I'm going to be uploading that one so you can actually just see me talk about the wig and the quality. This video is just me talking about how to color it. So hello, welcome to this video. For those of you who are new to my channel, you should know that I work at a hair salon. I am a stylist apprentice and a personal assistant. I've been working there for about 1.5 years and I am really close to being on the floor as of next year, midsummer, but I have graduated hair school, just not a stylist yet. So I do have hair experience with all kinds of hair types. This hair quality is great, and I wanted to take that opportunity to color it with all these crazy color melts and do it #BeSeen style or Pulp Riot style. I look at so much inspiration online, but this video is also me wanting to spread the concept that there is inspiration everywhere. If you scroll past something and see something that catches your eye and it's beautiful and you're like, have you ever seen a piece of art and it's like, this is amazing, but I don't know what to do with it. Like, all it is a photo. What am I gonna do? Screenshot it and save it? Like, you know, what do you do with things that you just find, like, you're attracted to in a way that you wish to expand that and dwell on that and sort of soak it up like a liquid? This is what I did when I walked into my salon a few weeks ago and saw that my boss Andrew had put up 2 new art pieces. We've been filling our salon with art pieces all the time. This particular collection was these 2 pieces. I don't want to call them paintings. I think that they're photos, but they're you know, altered digitally. So it's 2 female models and kind of like a pastel galaxy throughout the hair. And I thought it was so cool and inspiring. So I had already been contacted about this wig by VP Fashion, and I knew it was on the way, and I planned out a whole thing. I'll show you my plan right here. I like to map out my colors before I do them if I'm going to do a big project and I have time. So I planned on these colors and I was really set on the idea. And then I decided last minute that I wanted to change it all up and do something beautiful that inspired me. I thought about the color placement and how everything was peachy at the roots and cyan on the ends. It was just like yellow and silver and white throughout, and then there was just like a band of lilac through there. It was so pretty, and so I decided that it'd be the best option for me to just scratch my whole plan and start over. And then I came up with this, and I'm really, really happy with it because I did all these crazy color melts. Everything is a melt, so it starts in one color, ends in a different color. There's a few colors in between, and everything was strategically placed where it went. Please comment below if you have any other questions, something that I didn't cover. I'm really sorry if I forgot to mention anything, but I do want to also say that I have a discount code for VP Fashion. I have extensions by them. I have this wig now, and it's a human hair wig. If you want to get any of those things, you can go to this description below, go to VP Fashion, and if you use my code Jellyfish, you can get $10 off on your purchase. And also just keep an eye out for November, around November 20th or so, there's going to be a Black Friday sale, so that is going to be the best time for you to purchase anything you want from there, just to save some money and hopefully enjoy a good quality wig or set of extensions yourself. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy the video. Okay guys, that was it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it was like super long or something, but please comment below if you have any questions like I said earlier, and leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. I love all of you. Thank you so much for supporting me and watching me. If there's any other types of videos you really want to see me make soon, please let me know, because I'd love to hear your opinions on like what you'd like to see me do. Yeah. Thank you guys. Stay epic, everyone. Bye.